is going on, my YouTube friends? So I'm out here messing with the wiring for the Fairmont for the headlights. Okay, I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to run them yet, but I'm putting good ends on that will hold tight, these ends right here. So I've been working on the wiring harness. So the problem is that this is a Fairmont 1980. It had single headlights. Somebody put the dual headlights on this car and they spliced all the wires together. You know how it goes, people start wanting something different, so then that's what they do. They put the wires together. So anyhow, let me show you what I got going on. It's a mess, but we'll work it out. Like I said, I bought these wires, these headlight pigtails, and I'm making them work. They all got black wires, not different color wires, but as what you can see is that I am putting the wires together so that way we can shrink wrap them and get everything done. So they're all butted up except for this right here, which that is a fusible link. So I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do that one yet, but I think I have a fusible link I can hook to that. I'm not sure, but we'll work on that. But this is what I got going on. So, and like I said, they took and put these headlights, this is the low beam right here. So they got that, and they just got it all rigged up. So I am replacing these switches too, and I'm going to keep it a dual headlight because I like the dual headlights. So I'm going to keep it a dual headlight, but I'm going to try to get this thing and get it done right. There's another fusible link, so we'll get these things straightened up and get the right wires to the right place where they're supposed to go. So this is what I'm playing with. And the wires and stuff that I got off the Lincoln, they weren't in very good shape either. I thought they were in better shape than they were, but they're not. So, yep, this is my spaghetti that I'm working with. It's so much fun, right? Yeah, buddy, but we're gonna get it handled. So, but so far this end right here, we got this pretty much accomplished. And like I said, we got them shrink wrapped and stuff like that. So and I will tape them up too. So make sure that we don't have any issues. So I'm just kind of like giving you a heads up of what's going on, man. So we're working on it. It's a little bit at a time. We're trying to get this thing, get this accomplished and get the wiring done for the headlights and stuff like that, so I can start working on the ignition wiring and that, because I'm ready, buddy. I'm ready to get this thing fired up. You know what I mean? Yeah, buddy. But so yeah, like I said, it's a mess. They tried, rigging this up, and to be honest with you, I can't remember if the high beams and the low beams, I can't remember if they worked or not. But they'll work when I'm done. I guarantee you that. All right, hey, I just figured I'd give you guys a little bit what's going on here on the Fairmont. Let you know that I am out here working on it. And you guys have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever time it is you watch this. Yeah, buddy.